All right, so this is a loose leaf video. I'm not gonna sit it with my other. I'm just. Oh, what's up? What's going on? What's going on? Let me. Get it. One of us. One of us. Oh, how long is this gonna go? I wonder if this. One of us. This is some excitement now. All right, this is going viral. One of us. How about that? How y'all doing? This is going on YouTube. All right, let's see. It's a huge parade, y'all. One of us. How about that? One of us. YouTube. All right. Yeah. One of us. All right. One of. Oh. One of us, huh? All right. One of us. One of us. How about that? Oh, they're going to go on the other side of the escalator. How about that? This is definitely going on YouTube. All right. All right. Y'all on the Domino 7 show. Say, one of us, huh? Yeah. One of us. All right. Yeah. How about that? Yeah, that was also fun. One of us. How about that? Y'all on the Domino 7 show. One of us. All right. Oh, they got me stranded here. All right. Oh, they're going in circles. I like that song. I don't need to walk around in circles. Oh, let me step aside over here. All right. Any more coming up? Wow, that was very exciting, folks. Very exciting. Okay. Anything? Oh, look at this. See that? You know, I should have done a live stream about this, you know. I sure should have. Another one, one of us. How about that? Where's Kristen at? All right. A mechacon celebration. How about that? I love to see everybody having fun. Rest in peace, Mama. I knew you saw some of my videos, you know. One of us. How about that? Let's go back downstairs and see what else is going. Oh, look at the wolf. Well, I'm glad you're not the big bad wolf. All right. Okay. I was just joking. It's so crowded on this side, though, on that side, you know. Okay, how y'all doing? All right. Welcome to New Orleans. All right. All right, y'all on the Domino 7. Where that's going? One of us. How about that? It's definitely probably going to go. I doubt if this shit go viral, you know. Cold as a mother sucker. If that would have been Kristen, huh? What the hell could she be? Cold as a motherfucker, huh? Yeah, I seen Killer Kill. Saw somebody in a Mario costume and stuff, you know. Oh, well.